The design of the cooling water system for Hinkley Point C has three specific measures for the protection of fish. There's an acoustic fish deterrent system, which is a system of underwater speakers to create a loud noise and scare fish away from the intakes. The intakes themselves are located 3 kilometres offshore and have state-of-the-art intake heads designed specifically to reduce the number of fish drawn in. Finally, onshore there's a fish recovery and return system which recovers any fish that are drawn into the cooling water system and returns them safely back to sea. The intake head and the fish recovery and return system have been successfully incorporated into the Hinkley Point C design, but we are proposing to remove the acoustic fish deterrent system. The reason for this is that our assessments have shown that without an acoustic fish deterrent system, Hinkley Point C will still have negligible impact on the local fish populations. However, to install and maintain an acoustic fish deterrent system here in the Bristol Channel is potentially dangerous. We have the third largest tidal range in the world. Current velocities are extremely fast and the water is very muddy so that divers have almost no visibility, and we consider these factors pose an unacceptable safety risk to our workforce.